Reproductive rights for women still front and center in the United States in this presidential election year. 2 cases in point just today.
First, the Supreme Court, 2 years after overturning Roe v. Wade, unanimously keeping the popular abortion pill known as mifepristone widely available. But Republicans in the Senate blocked the effort to protect access to in vitro fertilization.
As we say, still front and center. Here's Lauren Glassberg.
Republicans cannot say they're a pro-family, but then vote against protecting IVF. But that's exactly what they did.
Senator Chuck Schumer not mincing words after a failed vote that would have protected access to in vitro fertilization.
Just a few years ago, it would have been unthinkable, unimaginable even, that access to a safe and widely used reproductive service like IVF would be put at risk. And yet look where America is today.
The failed vote, part of a broader effort by Senate Democrats ahead of the election to draw sharp contrast with the Republicans over reproductive health. It also came just hours after a unanimous decision by the Supreme Court to keep the widely used abortion pill mifepristone available and on store shelves. The High Court rejecting a legal challenge to the FDA's regulation on the medication.
The FDA and the drug industry in general, and pregnant women who wish to terminate early pregnancies are all breathing a sigh of relief.
In the court's opinion, Justice Brett Kavanaugh writes, quote, "The plaintiffs have failed to demonstrate that FDA's relaxed regulatory requirements likely would cause them to suffer an injury." Many women's health advocates today hailing the ruling as a step in the right direction, but not celebrating just yet.
We are looking at the fact that 2/3 of women of reproductive age in America live in a state with a Trump abortion ban. This ruling is not going to change that.
In a statement today, New York Attorney General Letitia James saying anti-choice forces will not stop trying to eliminate bodily autonomy and the right to privacy for millions of Americans. Abortion care is health care.